Alright guys, it's me again, it's another SQL injection demonstrating at my YouTube channel. And this video we're gonna be looking for really it's awesome to Microsoft and SQL and SQL injection panel here. So if you're ready, so let's get started fast. So we're just available here IIS Windows Server, and it's look like we just have to give it like that. And it's just for Windows. It's over here, I think we found. It's like that. So it's over here. So should we try to be restart or website? So in this IP addresses that we find here, it's really important. So let me try to be deleting them all. And I wonder, when we try to be ready here to nmap scan, it's actually return us really cool things. It's 80, 443 and 339 is 89 as port is open here. So it's a 3389. It's really important. It's because it's giving us here terminal a remote desktop user. It's over here. So after that all, let me try my burp, and it's look like it's important for us because of this. So when we are trying to get here Microsoft Terminal Services, it's look like we can try to be ready here. It's injectable of the remote. It's computer from the remoting is like there. So it's if it's try to be injectable for us, we can try something different here maybe. But when you try restaurant on our web service, just redirect us here as nothing. So then after that all, it's look like great idea to be starting here. Go Buster, I think. What the fuck? -u. And you know what? We can try to be give it here. -v user share wordless. Should we try change it or word this maybe here? It's cool. Will look like if I'm gonna try to be looking for a sackless, I wanna be discovery here, web content. Or try here directly dear Buster, direct release. It's because I found maybe we are available to get something different idea here. So it's because why I'm trying to be read it not here. And it's just here we found gdgpac. Maybe we can try to be analyzing to another directory with it. Is it? Or the starting it's when it's ending here. Great. So after that all, we are gonna be available to find here remote directory. Is it just redirect as your this website is uses secure socket layer SSL, the protocol, and recurs HTTPS address. Please update your URL. So we have to be changed here HTTPS. So let me advance it and accept risk and continue. So we are available to be get here Windows PowerShell web access, but it's the first thing to it this. I think we have to be try here to get shell or something like that, or looking for injectable things here. Is it could be great idea to be got here is MVS products SPX and product subcategory ID. I found it before. So I decided to be does it look like injectable here? So if I'm gonna be try to be go here, this to 18 is returned as us, but let me try here and the -1. There's 0 products. So let me try here this to query, and it's returning as a server error MFC application. So it's actually after the all what I would try to be here, and then if I has to be injectable here and try add my maybe here, right? SQL map and giving our query and changed with it has to be remove dam and dash dash. The first of all try to be level 3 and dash dash risk could be 3 here, and try to looking for database and with dash dash batch will be great idea to looking for databases here. Alright, so is it injectable, and we find here. So this command, it's actually giving us here is really cool things. It's who is equal here is databases, and we found available databases here directly. It's injection, master, model, and temp databases here. So is it could we try to be looking for tables here? Maybe we just change it here. It's injection. So let's try this. I don't know which one is to a great path. Dash dash tables has to be removed. It seems like we found here users. So great. So another things we find here on injection databases is users table. So we can try it here, and which tables is available for us here? It's 10 tables here, database in injection. So let's try to read it here on tables. Give here to users and dash dash dump will be great idea to be ready here. So there is nothing to do, it's output for us, I think. Or we're doing something wrong. Or credit card we found. Or should we try here dash the injection and dash dash batch and dash dash dump will be great idea to be try to be getting all information about on database injection. Or should we try here the different things? It's something like, you know what I mean. Okay, it's something retrieved. Alright, so it means it's gonna be verb. But or has to be changed here as username is password here. Does it look like it's changing too many things here, I think? So can we try to be get here? Yes, yeah. Okay, it's retrieving too many things, but can we try here sudo impacket? Opt in packet, I don't remember, how was it? Oh, sudo in packet SMB sharer. How can I use in packet SMB server here? It's like 10, I think. And try to be SQL map here for dash SQL dash shell, and as it could be here at batch, I think will be great idea. And after that all we are available to be get here to hash from user. Alright, so we are available into here. So after the all SQL shell commands, maybe has to be important things we are gonna be work. So we are really to more value fun here, but after the all exec master. So how was it? It's pilot all the things. I think it's time to be go. It's Postgre as MS SQL here. So I try to be get here exec. Yes, it could be like that, I mean. It's not executed. Okay, the exec is xp.3. Could be here, xp.3. And can I try to give my IP addresses maybe? Okay. 10.10.10. Is it gonna give me here? It will be great idea. Okay. Sudo in packets smb server share and kill here s1 smb to support. So let's try to be give this. As it could be different things, maybe it has to be used here. Or should we find the password here? I wonder. Which one is could be corrected here? I'm just wondering. I don't know, should we be waiting for it? There's too many available we got, but is it gonna be find a password here? That's what I'm thinking about. Or shall we try here? So exec master as it could be look like this. XP33 can give my IP address. Execution is non-query SQL statements. Should we add it here like that? What does it mean? So it's maybe important to here try here directly. I mean, so we can try to give it here and try to be go here. Maybe it has to be try them directly. Okay, if it's try to be, for example, the 1, then use master and exec xp33 try to give my IP address here and give what you give, because it could be like that, and dash dash like that. Yes, alright. Is it gonna be work here? Okay. Then we are available to be get hash like that. So let me try to be save it like that. So let me go no and hash and John hash wordless raku.txt, and we are available to find here is password. So there is our password right now. So it's the username and it's the password. It's Tassi is your username and the password is equal that. So let me try to be copy that and try to go my here. So username is Tassi, right? Yes, Tassi. And password what we found, and computer name is should be on sublime hash is GD is over there. So let me try to be sign in here and try to accept and risk and continue. Okay, it's not correct. So should we change it with maybe with GD? GD and Stasi, maybe. Okay. Where is the password? So here, sign in. Is it correct right now? Okay, then we are available to be get into here directly. So right now I think we can try available to be get reader here and user.txt. And that was all what we found on the here. We are available to be get here with SQL map. It's really to credit card number and too many things to here. But another things we are available to be get here the hash, and there's too many things we got from SQL injection. We also find it here as credit card number, and we find it here the hash from user, and it's available to be get here. So thank you for watching this video.